Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right files and getting them into Logic. Import the sample directly into an audio track or open Logic's sampler and drag the file in. This preserves format and metadata. Once done, set the project tempo so tempo-based stretching behaves predictably. If you need timing edits, enable flex time on the audio region. This lets you quantize or nudge transients without destructive edits. Make sure sample bit depth and sample rate match the project to avoid conversion artifacts. Next, focus on shaping and mapping so the sample becomes playable. Trim and normalize, then add short fades to eliminate clicks. This creates clean loop boundaries. For chopped arrangements, slice regions with scissors or marquee and drag slices into Sampler or Drum Machine Designer. This turns parts into playable zones. Use transient detection and warp markers to align beats with the grid and apply pitch shifting when needed. As you work, audition frequently, so edits maintain the musical feel and timing you want. Finish by arranging and committing your choices. Put mapped samples on MIDI regions or audio lanes, then automate filters, pitch, and level to add motion. Once the arrangement sits well, bounce or export stems at the project's sample rate and chosen bit depth for clean results. If you encounter timing or pitch artifacts, make sure flex mode is appropriate for material. Polyphonic is different than rhythmic. Then try bouncing the processed audio to a new file and replacing the region. That often eliminates artifacts and preserves edits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.